Good morning all. Myself Pradeepa from SNS College of Technology, Department of Agriculture Engineering. Today I am going to present about artificial intelligence in farming. Next we are going to see about introductions. The fourth industrial revolution has disrupted industry after the industry. From 1784 to tomorrow is there will be a industrial growth and its economical growth. In next slide, why is all this talk about AI necessary? According to the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organizations, the global population is set to reach 9.2 billion by the year 2050. This means the global agriculture sector is under more strain than 2 billion more mouths to feed within the next 33 years. With available acres estimated at just an additional 4%, it seems it is no longer no option to simply plant more crop fields or feed more cattle. Therefore, it's a greater efficiency within current farming methods as farmers will be required to do more with less. In next slide, we are going to see about the ways AI is shaping the farms of the future. That means drones, driverless tractors, automated irrigation system and crop health monitoring. Drones providing new ways of increasing crop yields through depth field analysis, long distance crops spraying and high efficiency crop monitoring. Drone technology is quickly becoming invaluable for farmers. Next, driverless tractors. Combining ever more sophisticated software with off-the-shelf technologies such as sensors, radars and GPS systems, farmers will soon be able to hand this century-old machine over to robots. Automatic irrigation system. Thankfully, though, automated irrigation systems are designed to utilize time machine learning to constantly maintain desired soil conditions to increase average yields. Next, crop health monitoring. Conventional crop health monitoring methods are incredibly time consuming and are generally categories in nature. Next we are going to see some example smart sprayer and smart weed killing robots which are invented by the Blue River Technologies. These are the current technologies by using AI in the agriculture field. Next we are going to see about AI driverless tractor. Using ever more sophisticated software coupled with off-the-shelf technologies, that means sensor, radar and GPS, the system allows an operating working a combine to set the course of a driverless tractor. Case IH and New Holland both introduced their new automations tractors at 2016 Farm Progress Show. Next slide. Automated irrigation system. Effect of usage. Reducing production cost of vegetables, making the industry more competitive and sustainable, and maintaining average vegetable yields. Minimizing environmental impacts caused by excess applied water and subsequent agri-chemical leaching. Maintaining a desired soil water range in the root zone that is optimal for plant growth, and the low labor input for irrigation process maintenance. The sustainable water saving compared to irrigation management based on average historical weather conditions. Then next we are going to see about crop and soil health monitoring. Trace genomics machine learning for diagnosing soil defects. Similar to the Plantis app, California-based Trace Genomics provides soil analysis services to farmers. Lead investor Illumina helped develop the system which use machine learning to provide with a sense of their soil strengths and weakness. After submitting a sample of their soil to trace genominous, users reportedly receive in depth summary of their soil contents. Next, we are going to see about farm shots. Hypervisual imaging and 3D laser scanning are capable of rapidly providing enhanced information and plant matrix across thousands of acres with the special resolutions to delineate individual poles or plants and the temporal advantage of tracking changes throughout the growing cycle. And the final conclusions. IA can be appropriate and efficacious in agriculture sector as it optimizing the research use and efficiency. It involves the scarcity of resources and labor to a large extent. Adoption of AI is quite useful in agriculture. Artificial intelligence can be technological revolution and boom in agriculture to feed the increasing human populations of world. Artificial intelligence will complete and challenge to make right decision by farmers. Thanking you.